channel or if you're new, I welcome you. We are here today to start with all of the fall vibes. I always get excited for this because you guys know it's my favorite. And so today we're just gonna go straight into a fall eyeshadow look. My base is done, and of course, as always, all the products that I use are always listed down in the description box if you're interested. And so we're gonna do this quick and simple, I think easy enough for beginners to try to recreate as well. And yeah, we're just gonna get started. Of course, we're going to start off with one of my most favorite palettes for the fall season. This is the Morphe 35F Fall Into Fabulous palette. It's an all-around very beautiful neutral palette, but has a lot of pops of like bolder colors that you can definitely pop on for the fall. But anyways, I just really like this palette. For my transition shade, I'm going to be picking up this shade right here, Unisex, on a fluffy brush and placing that all over my crease. Next, with a much smaller brush, I'm picking up this detail brush. I'm going in with a darker brown, this one right here called Trunk Show. And with this one, I do want to be more precise in placing it into my crease. I'm kind of just following the shape of my eyeball, so going back and forth right here. And then to kind of help with this blending, I'm going to take my dry makeup brush cleaner, give it a small swirl, and then I can go in to like blend it into that previous shape that we have on. And it doesn't have to be blended out too much. I just like in those places where they look a little bit more harsh, like right here especially, you can kind of like just go in lightly so that it doesn't look too harsh. And this is the point where we're going to get into the exciting part. We're going to be adding some green and like deep greens, olive greens are one of my most favorite for the fall season. We're taking this e.l.f. bite-sized quad in the shade Hot Jalapeño, or I should say in the quad Hot Jalapeño. And then with a dense fluffy brush, we're going into the deepest green in that palette. And I'm going to begin by slowly pressing it onto my eyelid. And I do want it all the way from the inner corner all the way to the outer part. Once you are satisfied enough with the color that's laid down there, give your brush another swooshy swoosh so that you can go in next to blend out the edges. I want to put a little bit of a lighter green to the middle part of the eyeshadow. In that same quad, I'm going to be taking my finger into that green next to it. It's a little bit of a lighter green, and I'm going to be placing it to the middle of my eyelid. So like I don't want to take away any of the prior green that I have on there already. So like if I rub it, you're gonna like take it off. So what you want to do is just like lightly tap it in, and I feel like your finger works like perfect for this. So I kind of just tapped it in there so you can see it is significantly greener than this eye. So this eye is just like a little bit darker, but with that medium green shade you kind of get more green. So again, just a light tap right in the middle. For inner corner highlight, I'm going back into the first palette we used and picking up the shade Runway. And I usually go in with that same shade into my brow bone, but I didn't do that this time because I feel like I just want all of this to be matte and just the only shimmer to be there. I'm going to be adding an orange color to my lower lash line. So for that, I'm picking up another Morphe palette. This one is the 35D Desert Bouquet. I'm going in with an angled brush and picking up the shade Yes I Canyon. And I'm just noticing that if you guys do have this palette, this is also really pretty for fall because you have your more neutral ones over here. There are a couple of browns you can use with your pop of colors, like your greens, like these two greens I could have most definitely used for that green part, but I went in with the other one instead. You have your oranges, you have a yellow, and then you do have like these deeper ones, and you can make these work for fall as well. So highly recommend. I have to like kind of stop myself because usually when I do lower lash line, I like to pick it up like this way, but I actually don't want to do that for this look for some reason. So like my habit is my hand wants to like go up this way, but we're trying our best to control our hand to not flick it out. I'm going to go ahead and finish off this eye look by fixing my eyebrows. I am going to add my wing liner and then just curling my lashes to add my mascara. And voila, there we have the eyes finished, but we do have to top off the look with the lips. So I'm going in with my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade London. And on top of that, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Seriously Satin Lipstick in the shade Cider. I said this once and I'll say it again. This is like the most perfect everyday fall lipstick shade. I feel like just everyone needs it. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Everyone needs it. You guys today. It is very appropriate and beautiful. I'm ready for fall. Look, I am obsessed with this green and orange color combo. It screams in your face fall. It is a little bit more on the bold side because it is darker, but it's not too bold. But it's not too bold that it's intimidating for you to wear like every day. Like I think it is still school or work appropriate. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Would you wear this? Let me know what you think of the lipstick also, because like I said, it's so perfect for fall every day and it feels so comfortable on the lips, very affordable. I hope e.l.f. still has it because I know they came out with these a few years ago, so I hope they still have it, and if they do, like I would say stock up on them, and this shade Cider is like a must for the fall. But that is all that I had, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!